Well, with the COVID virus, all the evidence suggests that its main method of spread is by droplet spread, and so we keep a distance away from one another so that we don't spread the infection by droplets. It will probably require some reorganisation in the workplace to maintain the appropriate distance of at least 1.5 metres. That might mean that chairs and desks are moved around. It might mean that only every second space is occupied. Whatever works in a particular workplace, but as long as you can maintain that 1.5 metres distance all around. Well, in the first instance, you should always call ahead and inquire whether anybody in the household has travelled recently or has been a contact, whether they're in self-isolation, and if they are, then you may well have to defer the work unless it's urgent. If the work is urgent, you may need to get some expert advice about what precautions that you need to take. You may need to use a mask, a face shield or other personal protective equipment if you're working in close proximity to an affected individual. Well, apart from calling ahead, the other thing you should do is try and maintain appropriate distances if you possibly can, and also frequent hand washing and wiping of surfaces if that's appropriate for the job you're doing. Well, for hand cleaning, soap and water, if used for 20 seconds, is equally effective or even more effective than hand sanitizer. So either can be used. The best advice I can give is that if anybody in your workplace is sick, they should stay at home. If people are presenting with a temperature, together with a cough, runny nose, any of those upper respiratory symptoms, then that can be suspicious. If you need specific advice about your workplace, then please send us an email. We'll be delighted to get back to you as soon as we can.